Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Coalition.com. So, there was a problem with the importing of OBJs or FBXs from Blender. And I guess we were getting an error from Substance Painter saying that there was a problem with the UV workflow or some of the geometry in your files. Now, I discovered a solution for this, and it seems to be a little bit of a bug inside of Substance Painter. All right, so let's go ahead and import my phaser. I'm going to get the original phaser that I wanted to import and have you view from the very beginning. So we're going to go over the file, go over the new. I'm going to tell it to be 2048 resolution texture. By default, the use UV tile workflow is on. Uncheck it. Make sure it's unchecked. Turn it off. Now go select your object. There's my phaser. The one I wanted to share with you earlier was number F, number 4F. So double click it. Now click OK. Discard the other one. Let's bring it on in. There it is. All done. Nice and clean and easy peasy. All right. So that one really, that's a little sneaky one, because when you look at the way it's laid out, actually I'm going to go to new here again. The way it's worded is that it preserves your UV layout per material and enables painting across those tiles. So this is telling you that what this does is allows you to utilize the UV maps that you created inside of Blender. So by logic, you want to have this checked. But evidently there's, like I mentioned earlier, that I think there's a little bit of a bug inside of Substance Painter. So just turn it off. Once that's off, you're not going to have a problem. I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I've already imported the model in. Okay, so that's it. So now we're ready to come in here and play around with throwing textures onto our model like we should be able to. All right, Steve Burns from Coalition.com signing off.